Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 5, 6 and 7. Rishis have sung about the field and the knower of the field in many ways, in various distinctive chants, and also in the suggestive words indicative of Brahman, full of reason and decision.
ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतं छन्दोभिर्विविधैर्वृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः.
The great elements, egoism, intellect, and also the unmanifested Moola Prakriti, the 10 senses and the one, the mind, and the 5 objects of the senses.
महाभूतानहङ्कारो बुद्धिरव्यक्तम् एव च इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः.
Desire, hatred, pleasure, pain, aggregate, body, intelligence, fortitude. This kshetra has been thus briefly described with its modifications.
इच्छाद्वेषसुखं दुःखं सङ्घातश्चेतना धृतिः एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन सविकारम् उदाहृतम्.
Chapter 13, Shloka 5, 6 and 7. In order to create a lively interest in the students to observe, study and understand the world of matter around the spirit, Lord Krishna is glorifying the very theme of this chapter. Krishna assures us that what he explains is only a healthy restatement of Upanishadic declarations by the rishis in many ways and chants, but full of reason and decision, indicative of Brahman. When the truth is declared along with logical reasoning, they appeal to all intelligent seekers. Shloka 6. In this shloka, 24 factors are enumerated. The 5 great elements, they are space, air, fire, water and earth, which are subtle, and out of the combination of these, the grosser perceptible elements are formed. Egoism. This is the sense of I-ness and myness which arises in us in our identification with the world of objects. The individuality arising out of our relationship with the world of matter is called ego. Intellect. It is discriminating faculty which rationally thinks and comes to its own conclusions and judges good and bad in every experience of a living man is called the intellect. unmanifested. These are the vasanas, the tendencies which control the given mind and intellect and determine their activities in the world outside. The 10 senses, the 5 organs of perception, and the 5 organs of action are the vehicles by which each individual perceives and responds to them. The one mind, the faculty in us that receives the stimuli from the world and responds to them, is the mind. It is the only outlet for the individual personality to express through. The 5 sense objects. Each sense organ has only one definite field of sense object to perceive. The entire gross world perceived is nothing other than a play of all these types of sense objects. Shloka 7. The field includes the gross assemblage of the body and subtle equipments of matter along with their modifications like desire, hatred, pleasure, pain, intelligence, steadfastness, etc. Anything other than the subject belongs to the world of objects. Mental, emotional, and intellectual ideas are also the objects of our knowledge and therefore, with reference to the subject, all that is seen, felt, or known are but objects. This body, the field. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.